Looking to make your next birthday celebration extra special? This White Happy Birthday Bunting with customizable letters is such a fun and elegant way to personalize your party. You get 2 full sets of 26 letters, so you can spell out any name, phrase, or word you want. Totally DIY and totally unique. The material feels sturdy, the white design looks clean and classy, and it instantly adds that Pinterest perfect touch to any room. They provide you with the needle-looking utensil where you can poke at the perforated holes already and feed the ribbon through the holes. Nice, simple, and easy to do. And then you just feed the ribbon through the holes that you have made. And you can reuse this for other birthdays or other events. It's not just a one-time deal. Whether it's for kids, adults, or themed parties, this banner gives you the freedom to decorate your way. Easy to hang, easy to customize, and be sure to make your celebration unforgettable. If you want decor that stands out without spending a ton, this bunting is a win. And voila, this is my finished project. Happy birthday, Jaden. My son was super excited when he saw this in the morning before school. It made my day to make him happy and decorate the house a little bit festive. Very easy to do. All I did was use push pins on the wall and then some tape on the frame.